About this item: compact design. The compact design portable Moread HDMI to VGA adapter connects a computer, desktop, laptop, or other devices with HDMI port to a monitor, projector, HDTV, or other devices with VGA port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into your bag or pocket to do a business presentation with your laptop and projector, or extend your desktop screen to a monitor or TV. A VGA cable is required, sold separately. Superior stability. Built-in advanced IC chip converts HDMI digital signal to VGA analog signal. It is not a bidirectional converter and cannot transmit signals from VGA to HDMI. Incredible performance. The HDMI male to VGA female converter supports resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600 x 1200, 1280 x 1024 for high definition monitors.